Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We're here with Brenna Ruiz and Kelly Perigo.
Hello.
Welcome. You guys are, we got the big craft show coming up at Cecil Floyd. Yes. So we were just talking, that's where I went to elementary school. Goodness gracious, actually. My older sister, myself, and my younger sister all went to Cecil Floyd over the years, and so the craft show was something we did every year. So super exciting time of year, and it just seems like it gets bigger and bigger. So welcome to the show. Tell us a little bit about the craft show. When is it coming up this year?
So it is this Saturday, the 19th. Early bird starts from 8 to 9. It's $10 donation to get in the door, and then regular admission is 9 to 4, and it's $3 donation.
All right, and how many vendors and booths do you have this year?
We have a total of 128 vendors, a total of 158 booths.
Wow, I mean, that's impressive. Because
it's probably our biggest one ever.
So far, yes.
So far. So we'll be in every single classroom, in the hallways, in our gymnasium, cafeteria. So we have vendors stuck in every hallway crevice possible.
And does it help having that storm shelter on site now? Because I know that adds a little bit more room to the building compared to what it used to have.
We have probably 20 vendors in that safe room.
And that's just in the safe room. As you mentioned, you're going to be in every classroom. And I know a few years back they added on more classrooms to the school too. So I mean, what's it like for y'all to see this grow over the years to the size that it is now?
It's exciting.
It is really exciting, and it's good for us to see because the benefit goes back to the kids and the teachers and students of Cecil Floyd. So the support has just been wonderful, and I think it's just a testament to the people that started this 31 years ago, that how successful it's been and what it is to the community, really. It's become, a holiday tradition for people to bring their friends and families and shop at the Cecil Floyd Craft Show.
And how much do you guys manage to raise on average? I mean, how's it been going over the years?
We raised quite a bit of money for the school. We've been able to buy electronics, iPads. We've replaced the sound system in the school, and we are able to give teachers opportunity to come and get money, funds to fund things for the classroom, go to conferences. So it really just goes back to the kids, and just without the community support and our vendor support, it wouldn't be possible.
And with the turnout you see every year, I mean, what does that tell you about community support for Cecil Floyd and for the students and teachers at that school?
It's incredible. I know we send out flyers to all the schools in the district, and we have people from every school coming in. So they're all very supportive for us.
All right. And a quick recap, time and date for the craft show.
This Saturday, the 19th. Early bird is from 8 to 9, and then 9 to 4 for the regular admission.
All right. And of course, it'll be at Cecil Floyd Elementary School in Joplin, just off of 23rd, 24th, and Willard, right off of there.
2201 West 24th.
That's its official address, but if you're familiar with the area, you go down to Willard, you get to about 23rd Street, 24th Street, and you turn, and you can't miss it. If you miss it, I don't know what to tell you. It's easy to spot.
It is.
And of course, we'll have all this information on our website at koamnewsnow.com, and we'll be right back.